Hi, welcome back to my channel. Giselle here. So today I will have to explain or show you how I use to when I shoot my vlog or I shoot my video. So what gear I'm using. So today I'm showing you now. So my ring light is my first that I bought in online in Shopee, I think. So I bought this ring light for the very first time. So the only one thing because I change fast because of the stand, the tripod is a bit loosened, so I have to hold myself, so a bit smaller also, but I using for my a small tripod to connect this, then I put in my phone. Okay, so it's really cheap, actually not even 50 ringgit, it's about less than 10 also. So I bought this because I always in a promotion. So this is what I'm using before I monetize or before I become a YouTuber. Okay, so this is what I'm using. And when we are going out that I'm taking the video, so I'm using the Samsung tripod. Okay, so when I bought my Samsung A7 mobile, that which is I'm using now to do the vlog, to do the video or to do the shoot, so I'm using this to hold outside. It can be turned out, it can be like that, it can be vertical also can, and then can be like that if you want your phone be horizontal, and you can be like that vertical, so then easy for you. And you can, of course, not very tall, so you just until here only, so you can be open like that, so it will stand like that. Okay, so easy for you. So I'm just holding like that when I shoot. For example, we go for holiday or we going out, so I'm using this. So I have also, of course, one new light, a bit bigger also than this, my ring light. So I have two phones actually when I'm using my video, but most of the time I am using you in your Samsung uh, A7. So I'm using sometimes for editing my thumbnail. Is my iPhone 6. Okay, so is is iPhone 6 is a long time already. So the latest I never buy because it's quite expensive. So this one I'm using example for my thumbnail. So for my editing for my thumbnail, I'm using that. Then when I want to edit, example, I shoot from my Samsung Galaxy S7. So if sometimes I cannot take editing when I edit in my phone, the screen will be smaller. Okay, so when I edit the application in my phone, so I always transfer the handshaker application to transfer my laptop. Okay, so I show you my laptop when I want to how I edit my video. Okay, so I always edit and always transfer using the handshaker application. So I am using my laptop. Okay, so my MacBook Air. So when I edit, I'm always go for that. Of course, I take the video because it's very handy and very convenient. It's very easy to hold. Okay, so I just put the stand with my tripod with ring light. So I'm using the other one. So when I want to edit, I transfer with handshaker. So I transfer there. So I edit to iMovie application. So I edit from that. And then after I edit, I download to my YouTube channel. So this is what I'm doing before I become a YouTuber when I was a beginner. Okay, so I am using my microphone, the Booyah. This is the one I'm using. Actually, it's already spoiled. So already spoiled. So I put inside here. Okay, because it's already spoiled. This one already cannot hold because it's already spoiled. So I don't want to buy first. So I put inside because I cannot clip myself. So I clip by together inside. Here, at least can hold a little bit. And I put my t-shirt here or where I can plug it in. Okay, so we have to use that because I do want to buy another one more because now is really the situation is quite difficult. So I pass by it because I never on the aircon and fan. Never mind. So still continue our explanation that I show you guys how I started become a YouTuber. Okay, so I'm using my ring light, the small ring light. This is my small ring light. So I really appreciate and thanks to my small ring light, which is really helped me before when I was a beginner, when I was started the YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm using this, and then when I, because I don't want to buy the expensive thing, which is I'm not pretty sure that I can really be a YouTuber. So that's why I bought this one, the smaller one, and then very easy for me to handle. But only one thing, so the tripod is not really steady. So I buy the tall one, so I can stand like this. I no need to sit down if I don't like to sit down also, because the tripod new I buy with the ring light and handle. Oh, of course, this one also is some ring light. Like I bought one ring light now because this ring light is don't have the handle for the phone when I do. So when I buy the new ring light, is I'm using the I'm using that one that I can hold. Okay, I'm taking the the photo from my laptop. So because I don't know how to take from that, so I will take photo for you guys that how I'm using my ring light. Okay, so here we take the photo. Okay, so at least I can show you how it's my situation when I taking the video before that I am using this one. Okay, so it's really easy for me. Okay, so it's not working. Never mind. Never mind. So I cannot take the photo from that. Okay, I will take photo from my other phone. Then I can put in my thumbnail. Okay, so that's why I need to show you guys how I do the blog. Okay, just like that. Okay, I use that. Okay, so I already show you. So this is what I started when I was a beginner. Okay, so I never buy the expensive light, I never do the studio shoot. I never do. So I just bought the ring light first, the small one, and now is the ring light with the handle with the phone inside. So I'm taller than me also because I'm shorter. So at least I no need to worry that how I manage myself, that which is nobody can hold my camera and to shoot me. So of course I do it myself. Okay, so this is what is my gear when I was in the beginner in the YouTube channel. Okay, so this one is free when we bought my handphone. This is free gift for them together with the package. So I already got it, this one, so that's why I'm using this when I was a beginner. Okay, so next I noticed that I already have a subscribers and views, so I bought the new ring light, the small one, and then I bought the big ring light that which is can see, and then I can stand up wherever I want to be taking the video. Okay, so because I really don't have the place that which is I have a studio room. I don't have, because we don't have like that. So I just shoot everywhere. Okay, so most of the time I'm in the hall or living room. So I just find a way my background that which is better also, that which is nice, look nice. But for me, actually, it's look nice my background like that. So I don't have the studio room. I don't have I don't have the big light that I don't want to buy that one. So I just bought this one piece, or the smaller one, the big one, which is can hold my phone in the middle of my ring light. Okay, so I no need to hold my phone my hand. So this is what I am using, and the microphone. Okay, which is I have the video I show you here in my suggestion video, that which is I bought what microphone I did buy. Okay, so Actually, for the beginning, I don't have everything what I need, so I'm just watching all the YouTubers what they are using. So I bought the camera because I tried the camera in my phone is totally different. So the microphone that I bought is really good, the voice. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, guys, when before I'm started my YouTube channel. Okay, so no need the expensive thing. Just use your phone. If you have iPhone, use your iPhone. If you have Samsung, use an iPhone. Any kind of phone. I cannot afford to buy the DSLR. So all these things you need the laptop. I do the editing. After this, I transfer my laptop. Okay, so this is what I'm doing when I was a beginner. Okay, so of course, for the very next time when we can, we already level up, level up. When we have a level up already, of course, we buy the ring light, not ring light, but it's a light, the professional light. Professional light. So I wish I could buy that. Okay, so same as the YouTubers that they have a big light. So that is my wish for the next time. Okay, so wait for the moment. We save the money first. We find that light in online because I already found it always in the online. So I always check in Lazada or the Shopee. Okay, so I will try my best. Actually, that is my third next wish, that I could buy the light that which is, by this part is brighter, and here I could see here that in the camera can see is very bright, and they look glamorous, that I look very pretty. Okay, so the light is really useful during you are making the videos. Okay, so makes your face pretty and brighter, even you are darker or not. If you have the light, is really good that you can see your appearance. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. So just watch and buy the cheap one, not really expensive. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, press the notification below, and then you can be notified that I have every day the videos. Okay, thank you guys, bye.